Guys, today we are exploring the city of Budva.
Budva.
Today we're exploring the Budva Old City. This is a city located on the picturesque coastline of Montenegro. As many places in the country, it gives you access to the most blue, clear water and a place for people to come together. In the past few years, the city of Budva, which used to be an old city, has experienced a boom with new developments such as casinos, nightclubs, hotels, and restaurants, thus attracting a more younger crowd as myself. So today, I and my family are going to be driving 28 minutes from our hotel in Kotor to Budva to experience this city. If you're liking the Montenegro content so far, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone that might be interested in visiting Montenegro in the next couple months or even a year. But without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah. But first of all, that's the beach. We're going to go to that beach there. But right now we're at the top. So we stopped by our ride to get like a little panoramic view of Budva. So yeah, so we're going to go right now. Continue our drive. Guys, driving, I think I've gotten used to driving. Oh man, are you okay? Yeah, I saw that too. It's like making like a swirl. That's that one, but yeah, I saw that too. Let's go by the water. No, come. It's not. We're just where we are now.
No, I've not represented Budva.
Oh, okay. I thought you were telling us before.
No. I was just saying that Montenegro covers about 240 kilometers of landmass. Yeah. I'm not research. I'm saying that Budva is a place of blue water.
Blue water, yeah.
Blue water is so awesome. What God has created is awesome.
It is.
That's the African market. That's what we eat.
Watch your step. So now we're currently at the old city wall. I mean, I'll give you guys the actual name when we get close to. I'll give you guys the actual name when we get closer. Well, we're going to walk through that wall to get to the actual old city of Who said we should come?
There's the map again.
Yeah. Found our way to the beach. We're about to walk. It's a 7-minute walk. I'm going to show you guys the scenery and what is around this old city. There's a lot of obviously it's an old city. There's a lot of food places, gallery shops. This is where you probably get like tourist things as well. It reminds me of Morocco because then, if you guys remember, I guess by the time you guys see this video, you probably haven't seen a Moroccan trip. But in Morocco, a lot of the locals use their houses for business. So you find like there are these like small indents or where people can go into people's houses.
Hey, influencer, let them know.
That he said something famous. Let me see. Let me see.
There you go. It was showing here.
Yes, here. Yeah, it's here. I've seen the beach already. So guys, that's the beach right there. It's very busy. Apparently the actual beach that we're going to, the Morgan Beach, is closed. So we're going to have to make do with this beach. There's a lot of waves. So I don't know if it will be safe to go into it. I mean, it would probably be fun. I've been on the beach so many times, so it's fun to go in the water and explore. I want to put my legs inside.
One place I used to stroll and just be watching the waves.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, I'm feeling lean. And I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky tonight. Walk me on your love, your life. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your side now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now.
I'm beat. Good.
Ew. Alright, so.
That was a shit throw. Anyways, that's enough water time. My legs are hurting me. I feel like I'm having like a feet massage. But yeah. So now I'm gonna go dry off. Because now, actually, I am hungry. So guys, that was a quick experience of Budva Old Town. A little bit, but yeah. And the beach, the Morgan Beach. Well, Morgan Beach is closed, but whatever that beach is called. So guys, that's the end-ish of our trip to Budva. Very brief, but I hope you guys got to see what it's about. I tell you that people here are actually, I don't even know what to say, because I don't know if it's a thing of them being mean because we're tourists, or like obviously the other thing, which is the most likely situation. Obviously, first thing that happened was the situation at the airport, which I probably haven't told you guys about because obviously I just wanted to brush it over. But now we've parked our car and we're trying to leave, and this guy's like, oh, 1 hour, €5. Only for him now to tell us that, oh, we stayed 1 hour, 2 minutes, and he wants to charge us for 2 hours. Crazy, €10 for parking. I'm about to ask someone that's parked here how much they paid for parking, to see if this guy is bullshitting us because we're just tourists or it's true.
For context, coming to Budva, we quickly realized that parking here was hell. So parking right at the beach was probably going to be the best bet. Mind you, the parking here in Budva or in Montenegro as a whole costs around, say, €1.50. So on getting there, the guy at the gate told us, this guy at the gate told us that it was €5, which is fine because in my mind, I'm like, okay, I've been to a couple of countries, even in Boston, the if you go anywhere next to the beach, the parking is usually higher, which is fine. On coming back, the guy kind of changes his mood, starts acting rude to us, telling us, oh, we spent an hour and 2 minutes, and anything over an hour would be, and guys, come on, like 2 minutes for an extra €5. So apparently the locals and other people, not just the locals, from what I observed, don't pay that price. But maybe I'm wrong. Comment down below what you think. Is this racism, or is this just me being like delusional for no reason? Comment down below. But let's get back into the video.
Excuse me. You park here? How much is the parking? No, I know I parked, but I just want to confirm how much the parking is. But you parked, you know? Oh, okay. He didn't tell you? No. Oh, okay. Okay. He's lying to us. Yeah. Hi, excuse me. Did you park here?
Парк?
Yeah.
Вот там вот человек должен сидеть.
Do you know how much the parking is here? How much?
Можно, да. Ну,
It's more expensive.
не знаю, вот там вот он, вот у него спросить. Он должен знать.
Or is that free or?
You can ask. There should be a man who.
Yeah, I
is
know,
on
but
duty.
he's not.
He doesn't know.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Sorry.
Thank you.
This whole situation honestly threw me off, and it almost ruined the mood of I and my family. But we've been on a good 2 days, and we've had the best of moods. I've enjoyed my time with my family. We've enjoyed our time here in Montenegro. So we're not gonna let one situation skew our judgment of the whole country or the people here. So you see this guy over here? We're not gonna let him and his bad vibes spoil our vacation. So comment down below, boo to the parking lot guy. So we decided to use our 2 hours anyways and walk over to a beachside restaurant and get some food.
So guys, Montenegro has been a whole experience so far. 2 days. 2 days, we've already been raced. Like, how amazing. I did hear a lot about like all these Eastern European countries, because I did hear that they were probably even worse than America or the UK, I'm telling you, when it comes to racism. But right now we're trying to go there food, trying to find something to eat. Finally, we found a good place to park. So there, if we can find some good food, then we'll be all set.